If you want to create a countdown timer in After Effects, here is how you can do it using a single expression. First, make sure you have a composition ready. Now, go to the top menu bar, click on File, then select Project Settings. In the Project Settings window, go to the Expressions tab and set the expression engine to Legacy Extend Script. Click OK to confirm. Next, create a text layer by selecting the Type tool, clicking anywhere in the composition and typing 0. Now, open the Effects and Presets panel, search for Slider Control and apply it to the text layer. Expand the text layer settings, go to the Text section, then hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac and click on the Source Text property. This will open an expression editor. Copy the expression provided in the description and paste it here. Now, the text will display double zeros for both minutes and seconds. To center the countdown timer, select the text layer, go to the Align tab and align it to the middle of the composition. Now, move to the start of the timeline and create a keyframe for the slider control. The value you enter will be in seconds. In this case, I will set it to 60. Now, press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Move to the end of the timeline and set the value to 0. If you play the animation, you will see that the countdown starts from 1 minute and goes all the way to 0. And that is how you create a countdown timer in After Effects using a single expression.